Stop killing your snake plant with kindness. Most people think this is the unkillable plant, but they're actually rotting it from the inside out. Welcome back to Everyday a Plant. Today we're doing a 3-minute care sprint on the sword queen herself, the Sansevieria. If your snake plant hasn't grown a new leaf in months, or it's starting to lean, this ritual is for you. Let's get into it. Rule number 1. Forget everything you know about weekly watering. Snake plants are succulents in disguise. They store water in those thick architectural leaves. The hack? Only water when the soil is 100% dry from top to bottom. If you're unsure, wait another 3 days. Overwatering is the #1 reason these plants fail. So when in doubt, walk away. We're told they love low light, but that's a myth. They survive in low light, but they thrive in the sun. If you want those unstoppable, sword-like growth spurts, move yours closer to a window. Bright, indirect light is the secret to those deep greens and vibrant yellow borders. Just avoid harsh, direct midday sun, or you'll scorch those beautiful blades. Snake plants love tight feet. They actually prefer being slightly root-bound. Don't rush to repot them into a huge container. They'll spend all their energy growing roots instead of leaves. Use a well-draining cactus or succulent mix. This ensures the roots never sit in damp soil, keeping the base of the plant firm and upright. One final tip: wipe those leaves. Dust blocks light absorption. A quick wipe down once a week keeps them breathing and looking like a piece of art.